In today's video, we're going to be doing a transfer belt replacement for the M856 M776 M751 and the E75245. We're going to use the M776 as the demo machine, but the procedure is similar across all lines. Before we begin, make sure you visit us at metrofuser.com, and we'll approach the printer from the right door assembly. Open the access door. Repair time is about 5 minutes, and page yield is about 150,000 pages. So we're going to grab the transfer belt from there's black plastic clips both on the left and right side with blue tips. We're going to grab those and in a downward angle, just gently remove it. And you're going to see these blue labeled tips both on the left and right side. That's going to be important on installation, so we're going to reinstall, and we're going to align the blue tips both on the left and right to make sure that they slide, or that's where they're going to guide across. And then just gently and upwardly push the transfer belt in, lock it in place, close the access door, and you're all set. Again, just visit us at metrofuser.com. If you have any questions, we also have printer diagrams and tech support. Thank you. Have a good day.